a world that's more connected than ever, the demand for cybersecurity and cloud professionals is growing. Step into the future with Global Dynamic Academy, where we unlock your full potential. Our comprehensive and innovative training programs serve as a launchpad for personal and professional growth. We train the next generation of cybersecurity operations center analysts, Kubernetes administrators, and DevOps engineers. From SOC analyst to DevOps engineer, our training programs equip our professionals with the skills and knowledge necessary to thrive in today's dynamic landscape. Secure your future with Global Dynamic Academy, where excellence meets expertise. For more information, visit our website at www.globaldynamicacademy.com or call us at +1 804 466 9148. Global Dynamic Academy. Unleash your potential.